Well, guess who is getting late? Because I didn't know how long it takes to get ready to go to the office, because I haven't been there for 2 years. I mean, I never been in this office. It's never been in Spotify office, and it's my second time working with them. So I am taking Uber. Hey.
Hey, hey.
It's for me, right?
Magdalena.
Yes.
Yes. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hej då. Thank you. I don't know how it is to be in the office anymore. This is so nice. Oh, well, we should hang out. I'm moving in June, so
Nice.
maybe we're gonna be very close actually.
Cool. Yeah. Let's do lunch or something.
Yeah, nice. But finally seeing you. But I would recognize you on the street.
Yeah.
You look the same.
Yeah, same with you.
Yeah.
Especially with the streaks now. It's cool.
Thank you.
Very recognizable.
He thought that I was much more taller than I am.
You look very tall on the screen.
Yeah.
No, I was joking.
No, I genuinely thought you would be taller.
Yeah, I thought that you were like
Really?
170 or something.
Hello.
Hey.
I heard you met with Ivar today.
Yes, we met. We hugged even.
It's like 10 minutes before 9.
Rainbow.
Hey! Oh, the vlog camera as well. Nice.
So I'm gonna try to get to the metro now. It's 4:30 almost, so probably unfortunately rush hours. But it's been really nice to see some of my colleagues finally in person. Spotify office is quite cool. I mean, they have so many snacks and I think 5 floors in total. So it's a huge building, and because of pandemic, like there's not so many people there, so it's actually nice to hang. To be honest, in the beginning when I woke up I was like, oh god, I have to go to the office, but it was actually nice. And I mean, I wouldn't like to go every day, but I feel to go once per week gives you this like creative boost. I don't know if you know what I mean, but when you don't see people for a long time, it is quite weird. But I cannot believe that I was doing this every day for before pandemic, like going to the office so many years, waking up, wasting 1 hour to get to the office, and then 1 hour to go back from the office. That's quite weird. And to be honest, we did like, I had 2 meetings today, and that's it. Like the rest we were talking all the time, like everyone was craving social interaction after this long time of working from home. So for those who think that working from home is something that we shouldn't do because we cannot really work, I don't think it's true. I think actually I work from home much more, at least as someone who works in design. This is something that we can actually focus, you know, do stuff that we actually should do, not only have fika breaks and talk, but of course once in a while it's nice to have those two. So that's the lesson from today. Go out sometimes. So it is very weird how weather changed in Stockholm for past few weeks, from 15 degrees to like now 2. I'm gonna get now some groceries so I can cook something nice today. They look like boobs, right? Alright, on personal note, I'm struggling for past 2 years to not be scared anymore of getting sick. You know, what I mean by that is of course about pandemic. And I haven't really been working from the office for past 2 years. I've been in the office once when I was almost forced by my previous clients, and that made me really uncomfortable. So I really appreciate that Spotify has this policy of working from anywhere. So wherever you are, you can decide if you want to come to the office and how many times and how you want to do it. So that's something for me that really matters, and I really appreciate that as, you know, someone who struggles with that. So actually today was the first time that I really went to the office because I wanted to, not because I was forced. And it was nice, you know, and I'm happy that I went and forced myself a bit to interact more. It's not that I haven't interacted with any people during this time. I did. I mean, I live with Sam, so I interact with her all the time. I also invited some of my friends and meet with some of my friends before, so it's not that I isolated myself totally, but compared to most of people in Sweden, I would say I was isolated and I got a bit socially awkward. And I think this YouTube thing, it's also really part of me wanting to talk to people and to share this stuff, and not to be alone in that. So if you are struggling with this, you are not alone. And I think it would be nice if people understand that there are people who are just stressed about those things, and it would be nice to accommodate for those people. So, like, you know, don't force us to come to the office if we don't feel comfortable because you want to control us if you work or not. I mean, really, you can work at the office for 8 hours, I mean, stare at your screen and pretend that you are working. What's matter is what you deliver with your work. And I think wherever, if you are working from home or if you are working from the office, if you deliver, that really doesn't matter where you are, especially in our field, in field of design. I think that we have to evaluate how we work. I just wanted to share this with you. I think I like this vlog format. I don't know how about you, but I feel more comfortable. It's quite weird to, you know, have a light here and then like talk to the camera with almost a script, which I never have because I hate scripts and I hate learning this stuff and memorizing and saying something that I just plan to say. So I think this format is much more fun for me. I hope it shows because I can combine some of my street photo knowledge in a vlog, show you some of Stockholm, which I think is quite interesting if someone is not from here. And even though if you are from Stockholm, I think it's interesting to see how other people see your city. At least that's how it's for me. And I watch quite a lot of vlogs. So maybe, maybe that's why I like it and that's why it works for me. But I hope you don't mind. I mean, if you mind, I will still do it. So it doesn't really matter. But I hope you like it. And I really appreciate all of the feedback, all of the support, all of the comments that I'm getting. And I really am still surprised that I have more than 500 subscribers because I wasn't expecting that. So thank you for that. I don't like to remind you to subscribe or to like or to comment, but well, I mean, it really makes me happy because also YouTube is quite hard platform for new people. I mean, YouTube algorithm don't really recommend new accounts. So by liking it and writing something, you mark it as a more valuable content for YouTube. So I really appreciate that and it makes me motivated. So for those who commented, thank you. I read every comment, I answer to every comment, and I am really very grateful for your support. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I hope to see you soon on Tuesday at 9:30 Stockholm time, and I hope you will have a great week ahead. See you later.